to sign in to Capcut with QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can sign into your Capcut account with a QR code. So first, go ahead and open Capcut on your mobile device and sign in into that using your email and password. So you'll need to sign into your Capcut account on a mobile device before you can sign into your laptop or PC using a QR code. Once you're signed in into your Capcut account on that mobile device, go ahead and head over into the Me section of your Capcut account. So in here, once you click on the gear icon at the top right, you'll be able to learn more about the settings of your account. But to be able to scan that QR code that you can find on your PC or laptop screen, you'll need to click on the scan button below the wallet button to be able to scan the QR code. Face your camera into the QR code of your laptop or PC. After this, you'll be able to sign in into your Capcut account on your laptop or PC. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.